The high-income skill lie that's keeping you poor. Prove that the massive push to learn high-income skills like coding and editing is a soft conspiracy by the elite to create an endless pool of desperate, cheap freelance labor. Show how the top 0.1% of young millionaires don't actually build businesses or learn hard skills. They act as proxies and inject themselves into existing cash flows using perceived authority. Look at your screen. Right now, there are 40 million people trying to learn the exact same high-income skills as you. Video editing, copywriting, AI automation. They're all watching the same tutorials, following the same gurus, grinding 12 hours a day. And in 18 months, 99% of them will realize they've walked straight into a trap. A trap that Silicon Valley insiders quietly call the digital peasantry. You think you're escaping the 9-to-5, but you've actually just volunteered for a 24/7 digital sweatshop. Today, I am going to expose the psychological architecture they use to keep you stuck trading your life for pennies. And then I'm going to show you the back door, the one hidden mechanism the richest 0.1% use to extract money from the internet without ever learning a single hard skill. If you stay until the end, you'll never look at your side hustle the same way again. But a warning, what I'm about to say is going to piss you off, because you're going to realize how much time they've already stolen from you.
Let's talk about the big lie. Since you were a kid, you were infected with a virus. The idea that if you work hard and master a craft, the market will reward you. So you apply it to the internet. You spend 300 hours learning to code, or edit, or build funnels. You start pitching clients, expecting a flood of cash. And you quickly realize you are competing in a global race to the bottom against someone 4,000 miles away who will do the exact same job for $3 an hour. You are a commodity. You traded a boss who micromanages you for 10 clients who abuse you. This isn't freedom, it's decentralized slavery. But why did you think it was a good idea? Because the system engineered your desires. Every time a guru tells the masses to learn a skill, they are massively increasing the supply of labor. When the supply of a skill goes up, the value of that skill drops to zero. They don't want you to be wealthy. They want you to be a cheap tool for their empires. They are the architects. You are the bricklayer. And bricklayers never own the building.
So if skills don't make you rich, what does? I want you to burn this sentence into your brain. Money is not exchanged for time. Money is not exchanged for effort. Money is exchanged for the alleviation of anxiety. The people who make the most money online do not do the work. They control the perception of the outcome. Let's call them the proxies. A proxy doesn't edit the video. They don't write the code. They find a business owner who is terrified of becoming irrelevant. Fear is the greatest economic driver in human history. If you go to a business and say, I will build you an AI chatbot, you are a cost. You are a peasant. They will negotiate with you. But if you look them in the eye and say, your competitors are using AI to steal your profit margins while you sleep, I am going to plug that leak today. Notice what just happened. You haven't mentioned a single skill. You've targeted their identity, their fear of loss. You just went from a $500 contractor to a $5,000 savior.
And who actually builds the chatbot? You hire the digital peasant who watched the guru's video. This is the hidden architecture of internet wealth, perception arbitrage. You stand between the desperate buyer and the desperate worker. You collect the premium because you hold the single most valuable asset on earth, trust. But how do you manufacture trust if you have no track record? You don't need a track record. You need audacity. Human beings are biologically wired to follow the person who speaks with absolute, unwavering certainty. When a patient walks into a doctor's office, they don't ask to see the doctor's test scores. They obey the white coat. You need to build your digital white coat.
Amateurs try to convince clients to hire them. They beg. They send 1,000 cold DMs a day. Proxies do the exact opposite. They use inverted positioning. They construct an environment where the client has to qualify to work with them. It's a psychological flip. If you are chasing, you are low status. If you are selecting, you are high status. You stop talking about what you do and you start diagnosing their terminal business diseases. I noticed your current sales funnel is bleeding 40% of its potential revenue. I only work with businesses doing over $50K a month, but if you want me to map out the exact fix, let's talk. You just created a gap, a fear gap. You didn't ask for a job, you threatened their survival and offered the antidote. You might be sitting there thinking, this sounds manipulative. Wake up. The entire economy is manipulation. Your attention is manipulated every time you open your phone. Your desires are manipulated by the algorithms feeding you this very video. You are either the architect of the manipulation or you are the victim of it. There is no middle ground. The digital middle class is a slaughterhouse. It is filled with hard workers who think being good at their craft will save them. It won't. Artificial intelligence is already replacing the craftsman. You know what AI can't replace? The human ability to look another human in the virtual eye and say, "I've got this." Leadership, certainty, proxy control. The great wealth transfer of our generation isn't going to the creators, it's going to the orchestrators, the people who own the systems, the people who control the narrative. You have a choice right now. You can click off this video, go back to your tutorial, and learn how to be a highly efficient cog in someone else's machine. Or you can step back, look at the board, and decide to become the player instead of the piece. I can't make that choice for you. But I will tell you this. If you don't build your own system, someone else will gladly use you to build theirs. Sleep on that.